The name of the company is Skycryptor, and Aram is pitching. Are you ready, Aram?
Yes.
Would you like another big hand?
So hi, I am Aram. I am a cryptographer. I did 2 security patents for Samsung, and now I'm passionate about securing public cloud collaboration. After Snowden revelations and today countless high-profile hacks, we all know that our security in cloud just sucks. And end-to-end data-centric encryption is recognized to solve most cloud-related security issues, but the challenge which has persisted for years is how to enable encryption without hampering the user experience. And today, we are building that encryption, simple drag-and-drop encryption with such capability directly integrated into your daily workflow. Let me demo our solution for Dropbox. You can select any folder and make it secure with one click. Any file copied or moved there will be encrypted. Locally, you see regular files, but Dropbox got only encrypted version of the files. And you can simply share the encrypted folder via Dropbox native methods, and you can search in your encrypted content. And imagine taking the encrypted Dropbox files and sharing instantly in Slack or sending them as Gmail attachment. This is your regular experience, right? We keep it. And Skycryptor is a single-stop encryption solution for your favorite cloud and cross-cloud collaboration. Our unique and patent-pending technology provides zero-knowledge security, unlike many of our competitors, which enable encryption but get access to your encryption keys. Never give your encryption keys to third parties. And among the rest competitors, we are the only one providing transparent and searchable encryption without requiring some dedicated server deployment in your enterprise. So the market is huge. This colorful slide just shows that our business model is SaaS. And we started last year by raising $50K from Granatus Ventures, launched just 3 weeks ago, and testing it with 2 companies. Today, with 200 signups, we got in from 4 different countries, and we want to raise $1 million seed round. I teamed up with my CTO, Azad, 5 years ago to work on another cryptographic project, which we failed successfully. And now we are a team of 5 full-time employees in Yerevan, Armenia. Thank you.
Aram, come here. Questions, please. Right there. Aram.
Yeah.
Right there. That's good. Go ahead.
I hate asking the what if Google does it question, but I'm going to do it anyway. So it sounds like if this is a thing, it gets big. Why wouldn't Dropbox just build this themselves?
Dropbox just built it?
Yeah. Or why haven't they just built it themselves, maybe?
When Snowden said get rid of Dropbox, Houston said that security will hamper the user experience. But if Dropbox will build it, it's all about end-to-end encryption. Imagine your Dropbox file end-to-end encrypted. How you will share that file in Slack or Gmail. So the real value proposition is the cross-cloud collaboration, because cloud is not single today. Dropbox can enable end-to-end encryption, which means users should have Dropbox-specific private keys and public keys, which work only in scope of Dropbox.
Okay.
So what's the use of proceeds? How will you use the money, the $1 million?
How I will use?
Yeah.
So it will give up about 18 months run rate to incorporate in US first, protect our IP, release the final product with Slack and Gmail integration, and do early marketing efforts. We will recruit 1,000 companies again after Slack release, just with help of our network. We'll test them. I'm too much concentrated only on that. And then we'll go to
Rina?
Do you think that companies that will care about encryption so much will also push you towards on-premise solutions and not
use
trust
what?
the...
Sorry?
So basically, you're providing an encryption service, so do you think your clients will be inclined to ask for on-premise solutions and not cloud-based solutions? Have you run into that during your tests?
On-premise solution is affordable only for big enterprises.
Yeah.
Imagine you are a company, a consulting company of 20 people, for example.
Yeah.
Will you dedicate separate server and install some very heavy keep administrator for the service?
Yeah.
So big companies will afford that, but we are building for everybody.
So your sweet spot is like 100-person companies? Okay.
Andrew, Omar?
Yeah, I wish I could have seen the demo a little bit better.
Do you want me to show again?
Well, no, it's okay. Just not sure I understand. Is this the sort of thing that if I use your encryption and I send a message, do I have any control over if someone can print it or I can delete it remotely? Is this one of those?
Not yet. We don't think about information right management now, but it will plug later. Now we are going to provide the seamless, convenient encryption. So our moms will use it.
Okay, I'll have to go to your website and take a look.
Sure, go ahead.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.